It's Sunday, 10th of June, and this is Business Video Updates. In today's news, we are covering the following video stories and the tips, tactics, techniques and strategies from around the world. 1. Vlogging. What's the attraction? Watch 2 of the best YouTubers guide and show you. 2. LinkedIn video marketing tips for local businesses. 3. Does size matter? Focusing on your YouTube channel. And 4. An amazing affiliate marketing strategy. Those stories and insights are coming up right after this. This is issue 7 of Business Video Updates, where we summarise the most important news and best practices in the fast-moving worlds of video marketing, SEO and social media. Also, be sure to watch the video to the very end, where you'll be able to download your free PDF copy of the 7 critical reasons why you should be on YouTube. Before we get started, full details of the following 4 news items and stories can be obtained by clicking the View More buttons on the attachment via the main URL link in the description box below this video. News item number 1. Vlogging. What's the attraction? Watch 2 of the best YouTubers guide and show you. More and more people seem to be asking about vlogging, in particular, how to start and what to vlog about. And Business Video Updates viewer AliNowak is no exception. We think you'll enjoy what we've got coming up, Ali. Firstly, not only do we have Amy Landino giving you a beginner's guide to vlogging, but note how she cleverly promotes the video to gain more watch time. Not to be missed. Secondly, and as a bonus, we have Sunny Lenarduzzi showing you how to put together a travel vlog, something I know that many wannabe vloggers get excited about. Access both videos by clicking on the main URL link in the description box below this video. News item number 2. LinkedIn video marketing tips for local businesses. Business Video Updates viewer Dale Dallywell would like to see something about LinkedIn videos. Now, LinkedIn is an interesting platform to explore, and it's easy to be put off by the highbrow image some people think it has. However, put yourself in front of some of the world's most influential decision makers and you'll soon see why video on LinkedIn can help boost your business. Here's a video that offers 8 killer marketing tips on LinkedIn to implement. To get access to these tips, click on the main URL link below this video. News item number 3. Does size matter? Focusing on your YouTube channel. Brian G. Johnson of Brian G. Johnson fame provides some absolutely awesome content on how you can crush it with a small channel. He covers some great points ranging from generating affiliate commissions through to critically reviewing individual channels and how to implement simple and effective improvements. Brian's video is a definite must-watch video. So in answer to the question, does size matter? Well, as the saying goes, it's not what you got, it's what you do with it that counts. And Brian certainly proves that point. News item number 4. How to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. Deborah Eves explains an amazing affiliate marketing strategy by leveraging the Amazon Influencer program and the subtle differences between this program and the normal Amazon affiliate program. Enjoy. Don't forget you can access the links to all of these videos by clicking the View More buttons on the attachment as per the main URL link below this video in the description box. Okay, so that's what's been happening this week in the world of video marketing, SEO and social media. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and then the grey bell icon to gain access to the Video Cashflow channel right now. From there on, you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments presented in Business Video Updates to keep you and your business on the leading edge of digital marketing. If you enjoyed this edition of Business Video Updates, please click the like and share buttons. We'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to download your free PDF copy of the 7 critical reasons why you should be on YouTube. You'll find the URL link in the description box below this video. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's Business Video Updates by clicking on the end screens at the end of this video. In the meantime, have a great week and watch out for notifications of next week's edition of Business Video Updates. Ciao for now.